equestrian friends, it's me, Lisa the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to today's video. And it is December 6th, which means we are going to be opening another window in the Effol Equestrian Advent Calendar. So we need to find day number 6. Day number 6. 6? Nope, there's 7. Nope. Where's 6? What the heck? Oh, 6 was already kind of pushed in. So this one should be easy to open. Don't know what it is. Small package. So this is sticking plaster, it says. I have no idea what sticking plaster is. It's a little tiny package. Oh, what do you do with sticking plaster? It looks like Band-Aids. It is Band-Aids. Sticking plaster, I guess, is Band-Aids. So that's really cute. There are 5 fancy little Band-Aids that have the Effol brand name on them. Very cute and something good to have in the barn or your tack room, especially your first aid kit. So I can add these to my first aid kit. And then I'll have some tiny designer or equestrian Band-Aids, which is pretty cool. And if I was like 12 years old, I probably would put these all over and just wear them just because that's what kids do. I know I would have done it if I had these when I was little. But day number 6 is Band-Aids. Not too shabby and something that I really can use in my first aid kit. So let's go over what we've gotten so far. Day number 1 was the hoof ointment. Day number 2 was the hair regrowth serum. Day number 3 is the hand cream for riders. Day number 4 was the no snapping plating bands. Day number 5 was the rider shower gel. And day number 6, Band-Aids. Pretty cool, designer Band-Aids. You gotta love them, right? All right, so that is day number 6. Be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking that little icon to subscribe, so that way you will be alerted when I have a new video come out, which is going to be tomorrow and every day until we get through the 24 days of this Advent calendar. Pretty neat, huh? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.